Hi, this is Chef Amir, and today we are going to talk about very simple but effective tips and tricks regarding baking. So let's bake it. To manage everything properly, lay out the ingredients beforehand. Preheat the oven while you're mixing the ingredients. The oven will reach the right temperature और आपको मिलेगा आपका favorite perfect flavor. Temperature is the key. Invest in a good oven thermometer to enhance the flavors. Baking is a precise art. A teaspoon here and there can make a lot of difference to the flavors. So, always measure. Chilling of cookie dough results in easy handling and flavorsome baking. My secret tip to keep your cookies flavorsome and soft is to keep them with a piece of bread. And like life, everything sweet comes with a hint of salt. Especially true for chocolate. A pinch of salt can uplift your game. When it comes to baking, it pays off to be a perfectionist. Catch me soon for other flavorful tips. Till then, enjoy baking.